What's interesting is there's actually 7 different equity income indices for the UK market. They're all constructed slightly differently, and that means they have different rules, different methodologies, and that translates to different top 10 holdings and different risk return exposures and different biases inherent inside those indices. So this event is to really take a deep dive on those equity income methodologies and understand a bit more about how to choose an ETF, how to compare them, and how, in particular, equity income ETFs work for UK advisors. ETFs is just a simpler, lower cost way of holding the same things. If you want to buy the FTSE 100, you could buy 100 individual securities. You could buy an actively managed mutual fund that holds those same securities but in non-index weights, or you buy an ETF that holds those same securities but using index weights. And what's getting interesting is that whereas the old indices were just traditional market cap weighted indices, we're seeing an increasing number of indices like UK equity income that weight those stocks by a different weighting factor, for example, income or book value, to bring out different preferences and different risk return characteristics. Advisors can use ETFs in 3 different ways. I think there's a lot of advisors would look at it like a core satellite approach, so having a core ETF portfolio for those low-cost vanilla exposures. I'm thinking about S&P 500, I'm thinking about the FTSE 100, thinking about gilts, short-dated gilts, and then they may have some satellite holdings, more interesting holdings or more nuanced holdings around the edges. Another way they might hold them is as portfolio completion, so using active managers where active managers add value, like infrastructure, property, private markets, and then using ETFs for more vanilla exposures. Or you might go all in and have advisors who want to use 100% ETF portfolios to get maximum diversification and keep costs down. Advisors are welcome to attend this event. They'll learn about how ETFs work in general, how to choose ETFs, and understand how ETFs can play a role in building portfolios for their clients that are outcome oriented, low cost and well diversified.